You want to take some, dude?
Cold.
She's
She's cold.
Want me to hold your bag for you? And you can just throw them in there? How about that? Would that be easier? We're almost done.
Oh, it's a lot of eggs, huh?
Look how many. Daddy! Dad! Here.
Yeah, I looked down that street and everything. I saw no one out there.
Daddy!
Really? Why? That's sad.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, seriously, look. No one.
Oh, I didn't see
One of
you.
them like woke up.
Every year, though, whenever we do the egg thing, we're the only ones doing the egg thing.
Yeah.
Isn't that tradition?
Yeah, but we do a little more extreme. We're allowed to probably do this.